How to use Upwork mobile app effectively. First of all, download the app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and log in with your Upwork account. The app allows you to manage your freelancing work on the go, whether you are checking messages, submitting proposal, tracking hourly contracts, or monitoring your earnings. Start by exploring the jobs section where you can browse available project, filter by category, budget, and client rating and find opportunities that match your skills. Next, go to the proposals section to submit new proposal, track pending proposal, and manage your application history, maximizing your chances of winning project. Then visit the contract section to manage active jobs, track time, review work diaries, and view payment details for ongoing contract. Check the messages section to communicate directly with clients, send update, and attach files to keep projects moving smoothly. The alert section notifies you of new job invitation, messages, and important account updates, helping you stay responsive and organized. In the profile tab at the top left, you can update your skills, portfolio, hourly rate, and overview to ensure your profile looks professional and attracts clients. By effectively using these sections of the Upwork mobile app, you can stay connected with clients, manage work efficiently, and grow your freelancing career from anywhere. Now you know how to use the Upwork mobile app effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.